Good morning folks, I've just come into the polytunnel. Got a confession to make, I forgot to go in yesterday. So anyway, I've just watered and we've got some more seeds come through, but I just thought I'd show you how the cosmos are going on. The Talina, they're looking very nice. I'm going to let them grow another inch or two, then I'll transplant them. So the weather's meant to warm up this week, so I should think by the weekend these will probably be ready to transplant. And if we come down here, you can see that we've got some more dahlia pom-poms appearing in here. And what's the others? Well, a couple are from mine, so they weren't so successful yet, but there's still a lot of time yet. Some cactus ones at the back. Got the lupins, look at that folks. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 15 lupins there. That's a bit of a surprise. I didn't think they were planted on the 17th of April, and it's, what is it now? That's just over a week, I think. A week and a bit. And then, let's have a look down here. So these are continuing to grow. 1 or 2 new dahlias coming through. These are the Pinato ones. This is Pinato, that's the cactus mix. And these are the giant Cunara poppies. Nothing happening on the poppy Iceland. I think I had problems with those before. All the cosmos question marks. So they were some seeds that I picked. And we've only got one marigold. Oh no, there's 2 marigolds through up to now. So hopefully we'll get some more. And again, Cosmos Sensation, only 1 come through. It's having a bit of an issue this year with the Cosmos. Never mind. But look here folks, we've got in the Dahlia showpiece, these are the 4-foot high ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 through so far. Some of the others might have been a little deeper, so still time. And look, finally folks, now where was it? We've got shoots appearing on the dahlias. So that's good. And as I say, it's not been very nice this week, so hopefully things will change and these will spring into life, and we just want some shoots to appear so I can get them out about mid-May. I'll put them into the ground. And I'm just going to spin you around now folks. There you are folks. Hope you enjoyed that little update, and I've got to apologise for the videos from yesterday. I've actually ended up reformatting completely and starting afresh, wiping everything off one of the computers because I realised there was other issues as well, so there was some corruption going on. So that's been doing its stuff overnight, and I've got to continue getting it set up now. I'm all sweaty and what have you because I've just come back from Walking Lady. That's down the village. So that's it for now folks. Thanks for watching.